Hi, guys. This is Dr. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So good to be with you here on this fabulous Friday. Early in the morning, it's about 2:06, and we're trading the dollar yen. But this time we're actually doing a little bit differently. We're actually doing a little short. We have big news coming out with inflation data, with PCE inflation news coming out, and that's going to be a big impact on the dollar yen coming up at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. But meantime, I'm taking a little counter trend trade. A lot of traders got long at the 155 area, 155.92. We got as high as about 156 and a quarter. And so now actually pulling down, and we're in some trades right now. I want to show you how we take out profits. And taking profits is a very important part of trading, because yes, you can make trades. Yes, you know what to use and how to do it. But if you don't pull the money, if you don't bring the register and take the bird off the screen, say a bird in hand and worth two in the bush. Well, we're not talking about bushes here. We're talking about money on the screen, and I'm going to show you how to take it right about now. Let me go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to close out some trades and show you how we do it. I'm going to share my screen, and so here we go. So we are trading the dollar yen. This is a 20-tick chart using the CTrader platform, and we got short on a trend line break. We had a trend line break right about here, and then we took some trades, right? And then we got some more trades short, a bunch of shorts. Why? Because we had a structure. We have higher highs and higher lows. Then we got a lower low and a lower high. That wick there was a lower high, and that lower high gave me an indication that we're going to need to put some more trades on. We have a level of support that was holding for a long time until around about 2 a.m. Eastern time, when we had the Frankfurt Open, and the London Open is going to open up in about an hour. But right now we're in Frankfurt, and we moved down from this area of support. After we started breaking it, and I started hitting some shorts. So we can start closing these out. So I just click the X and see that's where I entered, and that's where I got closed out. That was around $4,398 right there on the trade. Okay, I'm going to do that again. I have an indicator here that's also turning bright red. I like using colors and shapes. I like keeping my trading very, very simple. And so I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go ahead and take 8 pips out, number 4,526. I'm going to close out another one. I can close another one. That's a $4,526 again on that one. So, ideally, I can let a couple I have one set to run a little bit deeper. I can take profit down to this area, about the 155.00 area, actually a little bit lower than that, like 55.92. Give me about a 10 grand profit right there. I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and you can see that we are making money in the market. And you can see it's changing. This is not Photoshop, right? We're in the live market currently. It's this is April 26, 2024 at 2:10 a.m. And watching, we see we get 9 pips out of that. See if it'll change in our favor there. There's 9 pips. Let's go ahead and take that. Oh, it pulled back a little bit. And then there's a 9 pipper right there. We'll take that one. How about that one? Okay. And hope that was the one we're going to take down. Right. So $5,296. We can see that right there. We'll click that out. Boom. Let's take it. Right. And so we can take we have 2 more left. We can let those 2 go. And we got this one way down here that we can spot up, and it just took off by itself. All right. We got 10 pips in here as well. And we're moving on down. We can actually put another trade on, see if we can hit that again and see if we can get another 10 pips out of that. Right. So let's see. Actually, let's see if we can pull out some. Let's pull up some pips right now. Pull about maybe 3 pips out of this trade. Let's see it. Watch it limit out. Watch it limit out by itself and see if it'll do that. See if it'll just drop it one more time, so you can see how fast we can get in and out of the market and make several $1,000s in just a few minutes of trading. This is a proprietary system I developed while I was working at one of the largest Forex broker dealers in the world, and I teach this in our special prop trading audition passing boot camp. And so it's a great deal. If you want to find out more about that, email me at greg@elitetradersu.com, And it's going to be a 6-week program, and we're going to be teaching you how to get in the market, find these structures where we can pull out trades like this and being able to pull money out on demand, right? Pulling out money on demand. In fact, look at what we did today. We did $89,744.46, and these are just trades that we have taken. And we have some losses. There's some losses there, right? Because we didn't beat the spread, right? So net negative $23.64, negative $23.64, negative $87.68, negative $87.68, another negative $87.68. But we have trades that we made $5,873 on one trade, another trade $5,873.70, another trade $5,104.10. And we're gonna make money on this trade right now. Here we come. Watch it. Watch the total change. Watch it come through. Watch the green line come down there. Boom. And we're now at 91,324.36 on April 26, 2024 at 2:13 a.m. 2:13 a.m. So we do a little, there we go. You saw me limit out. You saw me limit out the trade. And we still have one trade left. And that trade is up 13 pips. And we're still moving on down. All right. We're still making money on this trade. Okay. So it's not Photoshop. I know there's a lot of charlatans and fakers out there, but this is a live market and we're taking a lot of money out of the market. And I would love to share it with you. If you're willing to invest in yourself, invest time and your resources and your attention. And if you're willing to pay attention, then you're probably going to learn how to get paid, right? It's hard to lose the stuff I use. You can email me at greg@elitetradersu.com. I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen. I can type that here. And that's greg@elitetradersu.com. And in the subject line, just type bootcamp. Type the word bootcamp there. Let me know that you are interested in our 6-week bootcamp. Just type bootcamp in the subject line. Bootcamp, right? That's our prop trading bootcamp. And whether maybe you don't want to trade prop, but if you want to just build to scale up your small account, we can teach you how to do that too. Okay, so this is for anyone that wants to learn how to trade Forex and you haven't had success, you've been frustrated, you don't have a good system, a good mentor, want to work with me for 3 days a week for 6 weeks, that's going to take you to the next level. That's what you need to get to where you want to be, where you're making money on demand and you're able to pull out money on demand, right? That's what it's all about, right? So that way you can do the things you want to do, travel where you want to go. You can hedge yourself against inflation, against any type of, geopolitical, whatever. You don't care about inflation because why? You can make money in the market. So again, email me at greg@elitetradersu.com and put bootcamp in that, and I'll send you information on all it takes to participate in our upcoming May 6-week bootcamp. Okay. Talk to you soon. This is Dr. Greg McLeod signing off. Peace and pips. Talk to you. Bye.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!